guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rena for those of you who are new today. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the new LensMe contact lenses range. I did one of these a year ago and it became like super popular. I had so many messages in terms of they really enjoyed that video and they've gone ahead and bought some contact lenses. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the new range. For those of you that don't know much about LensMe, they are an international online contact lenses company. They're actually based in Dubai, and considering they're based in Dubai, they actually ship quite quickly. Within 3 days I received my order from Dubai. For me, because I've got brown eyes, it's really important for me that I find contact lenses that look natural on my face, my complexion, and also my eyes as well. How do you guys find contact lenses? Do you guys enjoy wearing them, or do you find them quite uncomfortable, or do you think it doesn't suit you? I want to do this video because I used to think contact lenses don't suit me. I used to look like a ghost, but since I've been trying LensMe contact lenses, I get so many compliments and I constantly get asked when I'm out and about what lenses I'm wearing. Prior to YouTube, I never actually used to wear contact lenses at all, so it's kind of changed my life. It's something that was introduced to me. I've been wearing them quite often, in particular when it comes to events, weddings and parties. They did send me Oreos like last time. I don't know if you guys have seen my previous video, but we've demolished them, they're finished. Always do send eye solution, which is quite a big box. It does last you a really long time. A little greeting card, which is really cute. I've got 3 of their new colours, which is Hidrocor Jade, Hidrocor Aquamarine, and then also Hidrocor Safira. Also for on the go, they do send you this little case, and in the case comes 2 empty lens carriers, eye solution bottle, and then pliers if you're comfortable with taking contact lenses in and out with them. I'm not that professional yet, but maybe with a bit more practice I might be comfortable doing it. If you guys like these types of videos, leave me a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Let me know which contact lenses you guys preferred on me, or if you're considering trying any of these yourself. If you've got any other suggestions in terms of what you want to see next, then leave me a comment below, and without further ado, I'll show you guys how the lenses look. For the first time in my life, they just went in within seconds. This is probably one of the things that I wasn't looking forward to. It just takes me so long to put contact lenses in. I find it really frustrating, but the minute I did this, it just went in, so that's another bonus point. I don't know if they've changed their formula, but it literally went in like a magnet. I'm smiling because I'm actually really surprised with how beautiful these contact lenses are. I've always stayed away from like bright blue and bright green contact lenses. Like I said, I feel like I look like a ghost, but honestly these are so beautiful. I'm going to do the same thing as last time. I'll do it with professional lighting and then also without lighting, so you can get kind of a true reflect. But these are honestly amazing. I'm in love, and I think I would wear these probably more often than what I thought. These are in the colour Jade. Moving on to the second pair of lenses, this is in the shade, the Aquamarine. I think this is what I meant when I think it makes me look a little bit ghostly. I don't know, I don't think it goes quite well with my look and my appearance. I think it's too bright, but they are absolutely stunning, really beautiful. But I'm just being honest with you guys, this might look better on you or somebody else, perhaps someone a little bit darker or in complexion. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? I think in my last video you guys pretty much like the opposite of what I liked. This is the final pair of lenses. This is in the shade Safira. I think I jinxed myself. This one I had trouble getting in and out. It could be because my eyes are just feeling irritated now, because I've tried 3 different pairs on in the space of like 10 minutes. But this is such a beautiful blue. It's a bit on the lighter side. The other one is more of a darker blue in terms of the colour, so I think this one probably suits me more than the previous one, and it's pretty much, as you guys can see, the colour of my dress. It matches what I'm wearing quite perfectly. I'll show you guys a close-up again in lighting, and then how it looks without lighting. So So guys, that's it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think in terms of lenses, the one that I preferred probably out the three was the first pair that I tried on. I think it was a colour Jade, so I think I'll probably be reaching out for them more. But all three of them are equally stunning, and again, it's just personal preference. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment below in terms of what you thought about this video, what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.